Okay, guys, we're doing fireworks, and there's some kind of big ones, and then we're doing these.
Never let anybody play with fire. Yes, my eyes are. Holy smoke.
Oh, that's so much. Oh, it's stinky.
OK，你就完了。不要怕了，有什么好怕的 ？OK。
I'm running. My eyes are gonna be broken.
Yeah.
If you look it through the camera, it looks a little less it's less saturated. Man, jump scare me with the. I really don't like that.
Please don't.
That usually means bad things. Go, Ron! Man, there's gonna be another one of those pop-up. Oh, okay. Don't put fire on me!
I'm not.
You are?
No, I'm not. Just hiding behind the camera. Just stay calm.
Stop! You're gonna burn me. You're gonna get arson.
No, I'm not. Just use polite audience, buddy. Yeet, 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 yeet.
It better not yeet some at us. Holy smoke. Bro, the camera. It sees everything. The smoke, even more clearly. Man, what the heck?
Hope it's not gonna be something.
I'm just gonna look at it through the mirror, cause that's way better. Or no, actually I'm gonna look at it through the camera. I'm gonna commit arson in you. Fine.
How you not blinking like 25 times?
I'm just
Oh my god. Holy smoke.
I got.
Go.
Moth keeps jump scaring me. cars.
Come on, bro.
Oh man.
Gonna jump scare us. I just know that.
Yeah, I know. It's just gonna jump scare us with another one of those poppers. And you're gonna be like blinded. And you're like blinded by the headlights. Man, what the heck? It's gonna jump scare us again.
Like right now.
I say this once more. Poor basketball net.
Oh.
Man, what the heck? Run.
Also, this is the last one.
Yeah, remember to see it not in the camera. See it there. Actually see it, bro.
Okay, jeez, Wiz.
That was very expected. Poor basketball net. It had to see everything.
No way that landed on my pants.
What landed on your pants?
I think the sparks landed on my pants.
It cannot reach that far, bro. When you're on the port. Oh, see, the sparks only reach like that.
Told you it scared you. That was green edition.
Yeah, I know. It was green edition.
Okay, this is the other one, but pink edition. Come on, light it. Heat it.
Oh,
It's gone. Oh,
It's gone.
never mind.
way too close to the forge.
Okay.